Hi, my name is Robe, and I was born in China. I've lived in several different parts of China and learned to cook many different styles of Chinese food. I've lived in the US now for several years, and I've learned to cook many Western-style dishes as well. Today, I would like to share one of my recipes with you. So please have a seat and welcome to Auntie Yum Yum's kitchen. Okay, today we're going to prepare a Chinese salad. This is a pure vegetarian dish, so let's go. Soak some glass noodle and some tofu sheet. I usually put it in the freezer, so I defrost it and set it aside. Now get some napa cabbages ready. So let it drain. And get some cucumber ready too. And some garlic. And jalapeno. Now this is a vegetarian dish, so you can put whatever your favorite vegetable in there, as long as you can make them the same size or similar size and shape. And get some carrot ready too. And then, believe it or not, a potato. So you want to soak the potato in cold water when you're done peeling it, so it doesn't get oxidized and turn black. Soak it in cold water and set it aside for now. And get some cilantro ready as well. Now cilantro adds a very nice robustic taste to this dish. Okay. Slice the cilantro to smaller pieces. And put everything in the big salad bowl. Now get the garlic ready, chop up the ends and crush it for easy chopping. Now the garlic, you want to wash it when you're done chopping it. So this way, when you pour hot oil on it later, it won't burn. And also this will take some bitter taste away from the garlic. Drain the water. Now get some carrots ready. So carrots, you can slice it very thin first and then shred it. Now if you don't want to do this with your knife and hand like this, you can use a food grater. Now cut the tofu sheet to smaller pieces as well. And set it aside. And then same with the potato. You can use a food grater or you can slice it, then shred it. And again, soak it in cold water when you're done shredding them. Okay, get some cucumber ready. So in northern China, for a while, we can only get cucumber in summer. So this is very refreshing and very satisfying. So I always use a lot of cucumbers here. More cucumber. And more cucumbers. Okay, jalapeno, you chop the end off and then slice around the seeds. This way you don't touch the seed too much. Some jalapeno can be pretty spicy, though. Be careful there. Again, slice it real thin. And then put it in the big salad bowl as well. Okay, napa cabbage. Same thing with napa cabbage. It's really good in this dish. And in northern China, for a while, we don't have other vegetable other than these few. So we put a lot of napa cabbage in the dish. Now get some water ready. Certain ingredients we need to cook a little bit in hot water. So bring the water to a boil. Now let's boil the glass noodle first. Now, one way for telling whether it's cooked or not is to see if you can see the glass noodle in the water. If you cannot see the glass noodle in the water, that means it's completely translucent, then they're ready. Fish them out. And set it aside. Now put the tofu sheet in there. Since I froze the tofu sheet, I defrosted it. I want to just bring it back to a boil. And drain the water out. Since the tofu usually comes from soybeans, so they have a little bit grease in there, I want to use new water for other ingredients. Now get some more water and bring that to a boil. So I use a strainer to get the carrot in there. So carrot, you want to dip it in the boiling water just real quick. By doing this, this will make the carrot easier for your body to absorb. The raw carrot usually is hard for you to absorb. And fish it out immediately. So this way the carrot will be soft as well. Okay. So now put the shredded potato in there. Now shredded potato, you also want to cook it really, really fast. Once you see all the shredded potato turn translucent, immediately take this out, drain the water. So by now the potato actually is still crunchy, but it's cooked. You'd be surprised how good it tastes in this dish. And a lot of people couldn't even tell that's potato. So now put some salt and sugar and some mushroom flavor enhancer. And some rice vinegar would taste really good in this. I wouldn't suggest using balsamic vinegar. That would taste a little bit strange. Now some soy sauce as well. Now all these ingredients you can find in Asian grocery stores. And let's not forget sesame oil. So this Sichuan brown pepper would taste really good and unique, especially when you have that combined with red crushed pepper. And put the garlic on top. Now bring a little bit hot oil to high temperature. Usually I use peanut oil, and I usually bring it to about 210 Celsius. One way of telling if you don't have a thermometer is once you see it smoking, pour it on top of the garlic. Oh, it smells so good. Now stir it really well and enjoy this Chinese salad.